This weekend I kind of fixed it. I finished the head gasket. Oh shoot. All right, the Super Bowl's on. It's very cold. Let me show you something. Yes, I got it in the cooling jackets and everything. It's sitting in there. I don't care. And if you haven't realized this by now, I don't care. I did it. Yes, it's cold out. You're gonna take one of these bristle discs, use this and try to clean up this gasket surface. Again, I will clean everything out thoroughly. I'll have to get the underside of that head because that's extra gnarly. See how that's gonna do. Not concerned about much, really. Just want this car together and good, but it's just cold, so. When I'm finished, I'll say this weekend I kind of fixed it. I finished the head gasket and the Mustang runs. At least that's the goal.
Dan's frozen. No, I can't.
Damn. Oh shoot.
Stupid plastic again.
That sucks. I'm not actually starting on this time for the gasket.
Short one. Guys, they shorted me a head bolt. Mel shorted me a head bolt. I'm missing one now. I gotta use an old one that's gonna break off in the block. So I'm tightening the head down. Thanks, Mel. Yes, it is new. No, it's got oil and shit on it. It's not new. Thanks, Mel. I'm gonna get my torque wrench. I'll be back. I don't know where to put it. There it is. So you're gonna do a torque sequence, crisscross pattern, start from the inside, work your way out evenly. Don't break a bolt into the block. And for this, we're gonna do 30 foot-pounds, come back, 60 foot-pounds.
Come back, 90 foot-pounds of torque.
And right around 90 is where you're gonna worry about breaking the bolt off into the head. So I'm gonna try not to look at you. I'm gonna use this handy dandy headlamp. That click means you're set at 30. That's 30, 30. All right, good enough. Now we're gonna kick it up to 60.
That's scary. I don't 100% trust this. Alright, that's terrifying. That's why it's important to replace these bolts, because even though it's freezing here in Ohio, your bolts could still snap. There you go, that's scary. Don't remember if I did this one, but doing it now.
See, do the 90. taking a break. It's terrifying. I'm gonna lie and say that it's 90 when it's 80. Now opposite, I'm gonna start on this side. Last time I did the other side, just to kind of even it out. That is terrifying. That's gonna break. I'm not gonna do it. I'm opting right now to just not do 90. I don't like the way that feels. Somebody could say something like, oh, use your purse or whatever, hit it with your purse. I'm not hitting anything. The fact of the matter is it's cold out.
That's probably gonna break.
So if I do this and it breaks, I don't want to do it. I shouldn't do it. I should stop. That's not a good feeling. Yeah, I don't like the way that feels. That's terrifying. I'm not that good. If you've seen any of my work, you know that I shouldn't be dealing with extracting a broken bolt from an engine block like that. I mean, a thermostat housing, yeah, but this is a very important bolt. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a break and I'm gonna contemplate how much tighter I wanna go on that, because right now, I don't think I should go any tighter. That's terrifying. That could break. That's so scary. These people think I'm gonna do this. That's insane. I was a dealer technician, not a scientist. But I could cause some very expensive damages here. I'm lucky I was able to get this car. The engine's gonna cost more than the whole car. Man, I had these people fooled long enough. Didn't they think I'm capable of this? No. It's too much.